Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect Printful to Shopify. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to create your account on Shopify, and after that you have to open your store. So in my case here you can see my store is open here, and after that when you open your store and create your account on Shopify, simply you have to go to the Printful website. So just simply type the Printful website in Google. So now after that here you can see Printful website, so just open it. So now here you can see first of all we have to create our account on Printful. So as you can see sign up option here is available here, so just you have to click on sign up. Now when you click on sign up, in the next step here you can see if you have Facebook account, simply you can sign up through Facebook. Now if you have Google account, so you can sign up through your Google account. So here you can see sign up with Apple, so you can also sign up with Apple account. Or if you have personal email, so just you type your email here and sign up. So in my case I already log in into my Google account, and just I will click on sign up with Google. So now after that when you click here, new pop-up is appeared. So here you have to select your account. So just I select my account here. So now it will take some time to redirect to your account. So now here you can see it's my already appeared name here. So now you can also change your name here. So here your email address. Now click here on the checkbox. After that you have to click on this red button, sign up. And now here you can see tell us about yourself. So what would you like to do with Printful? Simply just select any option here. After that click on finish, and now when you click on finish you have to wait for a few seconds. So finally here you can see we have opened our account on Printful. So now in the next step what we need to do, we have to connect Printful to Shopify. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to go back to your Shopify account. Now we have add to Printful account here, so simply just go to application and now search here for Printful. So here you can see Printful is already here, so just simply open this. And now here you can also go to the all recommended apps here. So now here you can see Printful print on demand. So this application is available here. So just simply you have to click on add app, and after that when you click on add app, simply you can see we will move to main dashboard. So now here you have to click on install application, and now it will take some time to install the app. So just here you can see connect store with Printful. So you already have account, so simply just you have to click on continue. So connect store to email, so simply just you have to click here, and now here you can see finally our store is connected here. So now after that here you can see add a product option. So now just you have to click here on add a product and just wait for a few seconds. So after that simply here you can see new product. So if you want to add the new product here, simply you have to add the product. So now go back. So now here whenever you open any product here or add any product here, so after that here you can see connect your Shopify store to Printful. So just you can see you have to install the application here. So finally we have installed this application and our store is connected. So now whenever you open or add any new product here, so it will be redirected to your Shopify store. So now you understand that how easily you can connect Printful to Shopify. So just keep in mind, if you want to add, first of all you have to log into your Shopify account, and after that you have to open your Printful account. So both account open the same time. So in this way, after that just you will be able to connect your Printful account to Shopify. So this is very easy step. Just you have got to know that how you can connect your Printful account to Shopify.